Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 26 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question 26a says a circle centered at 2, 1 passes through the points A 5, 6 and B minus 3, k. Find the values of k and hence find the length of the chord. Let's draw a rough sketch of a circle with center O. The coordinates of O is 2, 1. The circle passes through the points A 5, 6 and B minus 3, k. Let this be A 5, 6 and B minus 3, k. OA and OB are the radii of this circle. So OA and OB are equal in length. Distance formula is given by square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. The coordinates of B can be considered as x2, y2 and the coordinates of O is x1, y1. So the length OB is square root of minus 3 minus 2 the whole square plus k minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to, same way for OA, let's take A as x2 y2 and O as x1 y1. So root of 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. Now squaring on both the sides, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 the whole square plus expanding k minus 1 the whole square, we get k square plus 1 minus 2k is equal to, the right side is 3 square plus 5 square. 25 plus k square plus 1 minus 2k is equal to 9 plus 25. 25 on the LHS and RHS can be cancelled. Gives us x square minus 2k minus 8 is equal to 0. To get the values of k, we have to factorize this equation. For minus 8, the factors can be taken as minus 4 and plus 2. So the equation becomes k square minus 4k plus 2k minus 8 is equal to 0, which gives us k times k minus 4 plus 2 times k minus 4 is equal to 0. Taking k minus 4 as common, we are left with k plus 2. So the values of k are 4 and minus 2. Now that we have found the values for k, we have to get the length of AB. For k is equal to 4, the coordinates of B is minus 3, 4 and A is given as 5, 6. So AB is equal to, taking B as x2, y2 and A as x1, y1. AB is square root of 5 plus 3 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 the whole square, which is root 8 square plus 2 square, that is root 64 plus 4, which is root 68. 68 can be written as 4 times 17, so we get 2 root 17 units. Now let's do it for k is equal to minus 2. B is now minus 3, minus 2 and A is 5, 6. So the distance AB will be square root of 5 plus 3 the whole square plus 6 minus minus 2, so 6 plus 2 the whole square, which is root 8 square plus 8 square, that is root 64 plus 64, which is root twice 64, which gives us 8 root 2 units. The question 26b says, prove that the point P dividing the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 3 is to 2 lies on the line x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Also find the length of PA and PB. First, let's get the coordinates of the point P, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3 is to 2. So the coordinates of P is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. where m is 3 and n is 2. Let's consider b as x2, y2 and the coordinates of a as x1, y1. Substituting these values, we get 3 times 4 plus 2 times minus 1 upon 3 plus 2, comma 3 times minus 3 plus 2 times 7 upon 3 plus 2, which is 12 minus 2 upon 5, comma minus 9 plus 14 upon 5, which is 2 comma 1. Question says prove that the point P lies on the line x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. So we have to substitute this 2 comma 1 in the given equation, and we have to see whether it is satisfying that equation or not. The given equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Let's take the LHS and substitute 2 comma 1. We get 2 minus 3 times 1, which is minus 1. This is nothing but RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, the point P lies on this line. Hence proved. Next, we have to find the lengths of PA and PB. P is 2 comma 1, A is minus 1 comma 7, and B is 4 comma minus 3. Using the distance formula, we can get the lengths of PA and PB. So PA is minus 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to root minus 3 the whole square, which is 9, plus 6 square, which is 36, that is root 45, which is nothing but 3 root 5 units. PB is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 the whole square, which is root 2 square, which is 4, plus minus 4 square is 16, which is root 20, that is 2 root 5 units. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.